Oh, Dante, you look
Hey,
so
Dante.
cute.
I gotta make another outfit.
Are you the chef today?
Okay, yep.
What are you making?
What do you want?
I would like a sandwich, please.
Okay, wait up. What kind of sandwich?
Let's see. It looks like you have a lettuce and cheese sandwich, which would be lovely.
Well,
Maybe a grilled cheese with lettuce.
cheese, or cheese fell on the ground last time, so you can't eat it.
Oh, it fell on the ground. Oh, well, thank you for taking care of me.
honest.
Yeah.
Oh, here's I just got in the refrigerator. Here's a new slice.
Oh, fresh.
Ah, fresh slice of cheese. Thank you.
Now,
Oh, I think Baby Jude would like some sandwich, too. Mmm. How about you give it to Baby Jude? See if he likes that. Oh, that's good, huh? Yeah. That's a good sandwich. Thank you, Chef Dante. What are you making now?
I'm making a mustard pancake.
Oh,
Pancake.
or a ketchup pancake, even.
It's a knife. Okay, so we can spread it.
Hey, do you have Arlo helping you in there? Hey, Arlo.
Still working on the sink, yeah.
Oh, okay. He's working on fixing the sink. Oh, there goes the ketchup.
Look at that ketchup, Arlo.
You need some sink in that ketchup? There you go.
Yeah, a little bit of faucet.
Little faucet. There you go.
No. I don't want faucet.
No faucet? We don't need faucet?
Oh, he's gonna cut.
Oh, you got the knife. Arlo's got the knife. Look out. Okay, let him play too, Dante. There you go.
Spreading it.
You spreading it? Ah, good. Ah, what's he gonna do with that knife?
Yeah, you wanna cut it?
Yeah. Oh, he can cut the bread too.
Oh, yeah. Good thing it's a play knife. Here, look, Arlo, watch. Cut it.
There you go.
Hey, good job.
Boy, this is the best restaurant ever.
Yeah.
Good job, you guys. Thank you so much, Dante. Oh, that looks so tasty. Mmm, yum, yum, yum.
You can have it.
Say here, Uncle Marky. Here's